Verifying your bank account on Expedia is an important step to ensure secure transactions and manage your bookings effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Expedia account. Visit the Expedia website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Add your bank account. In the payment settings, select the option to add a new bank account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 4. Initiate verification process. After adding your bank account, look for an option to verify it. Expedia may send a small deposit to your bank account as part of the verification process. Check your bank account for this deposit. Step 5. Confirm the deposit. Once you see the deposit in your bank account, return to the Expedia payment settings. Enter the amount of the deposit to confirm that you own the account. This step completes the verification process. After completing these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to make secure transactions on Expedia. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer support for assistance.